253, let's go. Top level constants macros. We have these monkey wrench macros added in a 8 geometric elements type section. We have 8 geometric element types, 0 to 7. These are the enumerations, which are going to be paired with these discrete unit spans. So DUS, discrete unit span, 0 to 7. 0 is the size of a hotel in discrete units. 7 is the size of the game size, like player size tile. So we're going from larger unit to smaller unit so we can whittle down and partition the space from coarser to finer details. In the top level lookup tables section, we've added some tags to find it easier. We have another section called 8 geometric element types, and this is a lookup table that takes the GT8 value and spits out the discrete unit span. Here are the different discrete unit values, and here's the transformations that are happening when you put a value into this lookup table. It needs exactly 8 elements. ArtGirl macros, we have added these macros right here, which should look familiar. These are very old macros. We're not going to go over what these are. However, down here, for the geometric element types, we have taken the CPU side variables, and we are creating variables of the exact same name on the GPU side, or you could say constants because we're using define here. In the shader lookup table section, which is new for this video, we are recreating that lookup table we went over earlier, the geometric element type to discrete unit span. And you can see that we're taking the CPU side variables and wrapping them in a U32 constructor. Here's the transformation that is occurring. We have 3 different includes now in shader source fragment 6. We have the macros, the lookup tables, and the uniforms. The only transformation in terms of code we've written for this shader in this video is getting the global XY coordinate of our sample core. We take the percent chord, multiply by the address space of VP1, and then add the origin of VP1 to get a global XY sample chord. We're going to do this part in another video, and then we're going to do this part in another video, but we don't have enough time to do anything more in this video. Here's what we did previously. Here's all of our footnotes, and then here's what we did in this video. And here you are on this playlist. Go here if you want a greater explanation. Source code, email. See you later.